Alrighty everybody, hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel since I'm really just starting to get this up off of the ground. But my name is Courtney and I'm so excited that you're here. My channel is meant to be some sort of like unboxing, lifestyle, beauty, just things I love in general, maybe like vloggy style, some vloggy style videos. But today I wanted to start my channel in 2023 with a Beautylish lucky bag unboxing. So if you're not familiar, each year Beautylish does these lucky bags where they will provide you with essentially mystery bags worth of product from their site. And this year I purchased the extra large bag. I also purchased the extra large and regular bag last year. The extra large Beautylish bag does retail for $150, and then you do pay taxes and shipping. I didn't pay any taxes on this, but I did pay shipping, so the shipping was $15. So $165 for your Beautylish lucky bag, and I thought we would just go ahead and see what I got. I've watched a few videos, but I have not looked inside my box. All I did was take off my label and cut open the tape. So we'll go ahead and get started. So inside the Beautylish lucky bag, each year there is an artist that essentially will create the paper that you see in the lucky bag. So again, this is the 2023 extra large lucky bag. There's a really cute little tag inside. Now more than ever, we want to celebrate community and connection. This year's lucky bag designed to dedicate to you, our global community. We hope the surprises inside serve as a reminder that we are all in this together. And then lucky bag 2023, hashtag Beautylish. So love the artist. I learned a little bit more about the paper. If you're interested, she created some images from landmarks throughout the world. So that's really, really cool. And we'll go ahead and open this up. I apologize for the paper noise. And then inside, each year you can expect some sort of Good Molecules product, but then you get your package that is bubble wrapped, and then all the items are inside here securely. So it looks like there's a pretty large palette that I already have at the bottom, but I'm trying not to peek here. Let's see if I can get this open without seeing everything that's inside. So inside, first item, hoping these are brushes, but I have this little like tissue paper wrapped bag. So we'll open this up. Yes. I'll add the value of everything at the end and I'll put it on the screen as I'm unboxing, but right now I have, it looks like Sonia G, I believe these are travel size brushes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little Sonia G brushes here. Super excited about these. I have one Sonia G brush and that was from my last year Beautylish. But I have a Sonia G detail brush. There we go. Sonia G, and again, I think these are travel size brushes. Sonia G worker, jumbo worker. Block out my eyes, there we go. I had no intention of planning on filming this video today, so I have nice dirty hair. And then we have a Sonia G crease brush. Sonia G jumbo base. And then Sonia G soft face. So these are the size of the brushes, but 5 brushes, Sonia G, great quality. I'm sure that's alone like the value of this box. Next up, I have a Wayne Goss Essential Lip Pencil. This reflectivity is probably not helping. Reflective packaging. Looks like the shade is mauve, which I think everybody has been getting some variation of this shade, but you can see that this is the shade of the lip pencil here. Really pretty neutral color. And then it looks like Wayne Goss lipstick in the shade Hazelnut. Wants to keep finding my face. There we go, Hazelnut. Hopefully matches the liner well. Let's just swatch this. So there is hazelnut and mauve. Looks like they'll go well together, a nice like brownish shade. And then next up, oh, I don't have anything from Ilia currently. Ilia item, Ilia Color Haze Multi-Use Pigment Cheek and Lip, and this is in this shade Stutter. There we go. Looks like it's in a little squeezy tube here. And again, this is lip and cheek, so it has a nice little like cooling applicator. And see if I can swatch this shade. And then that is the shade right there. Really pretty like orangey red stutter, at least that's what it'll look like on me. Lip and cheek, so that'll be good for a nice like monochromatic look. And then next up we have a Kitsch clip. Nice little hair clip, matches my hair color kind of. And then it looks like we have, ooh, nice, an Orbe smaller or like deluxe travel or some sort of travel size body wash. So Orbe body wash, love Orbe products. Scent is amazing, of course. This is 1.7 fluid ounces, so my guess is this is some sort of like travel size of this. And then I have a Viseart Petites 4 in lavender, or lavender. I'm guessing that's lavender in French. I love Viseart. I do have a 6-pan like purple tone palette from them, and it's very old, so it's probably time to replace it. But this is a cute little palette for travel. These really pretty purple tones. So love that, really, really pretty. I am gonna keep this, so I'll swatch these shades. These might be repeats from the shades that are in my 6-pan, so I'll have to double check, but you can see they're very, very light, very pretty, each shade right there. Again, really good for travel. This is super tiny and compact, so I love that. And then I'm guessing this is a Verb product. Yeah, Verb Extra Glossy Spray. So I've seen several people receive this item. I did receive the Ghost Oil last year. I'm still working my way through it, but extra hydration and glossy mist shine heat protectant. So love that. And this definitely looks like a full size. Yeah, 6.5 fluid ounces. So it's pretty large. And then just like I mentioned, Good Molecules always in these Beautylish boxes, but Good Molecules Glycolic Exfoliating Toner. I think I might have received this last year as well, and I haven't even touched it. So I may donate this one or gift it to somebody. But Good Molecules is a house brand for Beautylish. And then the last item in my bag, which I do already own this, so I will probably gift this to my sister, but really great palette, Natasha Denona My Dream Palette. I know that this retails for $69. So because I'm gonna gift it to my sister, I can go ahead and open it, but I won't swatch anything. I'm sure if you are on YouTube, you have seen this palette being played with. But this is the My Dream palette from Natasha Denona, and it is absolutely beautiful. Stunning everyday shades, or you can glam it up and go for a nice smoky look. But that is a beautiful palette. And again, I know that that retails for $69. Let me grab my phone here. So that's $69, if I'm remembering correctly. I believe these Viseart like 4-pan quads are $25. So that's $25. That would be up to $94 value right now. Let's see. My guess is this Kitsch clip is somewhere around like $6, but we'll take a look and see. I have my clip. Okay, this retails for $10. This Kitsch retails for $10. Haze Multi-Matte Pigment in the shade Stutter actually retails for $32, so that's pretty pricey product. I'm familiar with the brand, I just don't own anything from the brand currently. So that's $32, so we're already up to $136. The Orbe Body Wash, the 1.7, which is a travel size, there is a full size of this, retails for $17. The Wayne Goss Luxury Cream Lipstick Bullet retails for $28. The Essential Lip Pencil from Wayne Goss retails for $14. And the Mini Kayaki Brush Set from Sonia G. Again, these are mini 5 travel size brushes crafted by Sonia G. This retails for $160, which my box was $165 with shipping. So that alone right there pays for my box. So the glycolic toner from Good Molecules actually retails for $14. This is a really good large size toner. This retails for $14, so now we're up to $374. And then so the glossy Shine Spray with Heat Protectant from Verb also retails for $20. So I'm actually wrong. In the end, I am at a $394 total for my entire box, which again was $165. And then if I were to take 20% off of $394, which would be $78.80, I would be at $315.20 for my entire box. So again, if I were to get a 20% discount off of each item in this box, I would still be very well over what I paid for the box, which was $165. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really happy with my lucky bag. I definitely think that this is an extremely lucky bag this year. I'm happy with all the products. I don't know if I'll get a ton of use out of the lipsticks. I am a ride or die for Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks, but other than that, I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. Thanks for watching. More content from me soon. I have a Stitch Fix try-on coming soon. And then if anyone is interested, I have a huge amount of new products that I purchased from the Sephora event in December. So if you're interested, I will happily post the items that I received, and then I can also do a try-on of some of the items that I received from my Beautylish lucky bag. But thanks so much for watching. If you could like this video, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Content coming from me in 2023 if you're interested. Also leave a comment if you have a gap in what you are watching on YouTube and you would like to see me do it. Thanks so much. Bye.